Hi, everyone. I am Diane Gonzalez, and my husband, Don, and I are Arbonne independent consultants. And I put it that way because of the journey that we've had with this awesome company. We have been using the products for over 23 years, and I decided to start doing the business. And my husband wasn't very supportive of that decision. But as he saw this grow and things happening, he got very interested and started kind of learning a few tricks of the trade and joining me. And so it's been awesome to have us together doing this because it's been a lot of fun. I'm not here to make a huge offer and take advantage of you or anything. I'm here to help with an offer. With all the huge lockdowns globally, I know that people are looking for a way to develop an income safely from home. We have established an online system that has proven very successful. And whether you want to just supplement your income with a couple hundred or $1,000, or you want to completely replace your income, or you want to enhance your retirement, this is such an easy way to do it. It's simple. It's up to you completely, however much time you want to put in, how you want to do it, everything. It's just, I work with you to help you develop your business. And it's a lot of fun. And in the meantime, you are using the most amazing products in the world. Arbonne has been certified as the #1 global brand for healthy living inside and out. We offer the full line of skincare, cosmetics, personal care products, nutrition, supplements, sports supplements, all verified and certified and all vegan. Whether you're vegan or not, doesn't matter. That's more nutritious and whole source of supplements and nutrition. It really makes a difference. We used the skincare and I used the cosmetics for years. And about 5 years ago, we got very involved in the supplements and nutritional line and have been just thrilled with the results that we've been getting. And when you're interested, please, I'll look forward to discussing all of our products with you because it is something else. But what I want to tell you is that this is a way with a very, the investment is not humongous. You are not building a brick and mortar. You have to get a permit. You have to have tax license and all this kind of stuff. None of that. Arbonne takes care of all those things, and you're just going to do it through your internet connection. And you just make wonderful friends all over the globe. Right now, we're in the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, and Poland, with expansion plans in the works. So you really have wide open market. Anywhere your internet goes pretty much is where your business can go if that's where you want to market that area. Along with that, you get a residual income. Once you start building your business, it's not something you have to keep doing. You do want to keep building your business because as you move up in the management levels, you're going to get more and more money and more and more benefits. But it's something that once you have someone who is signed on as a preferred client, they're going to keep buying. And so you're going to keep getting your commission from them buying their products. Once you start developing your business and signing up other independent consultants, they're going to keep growing, which is going to grow your income. And that's where you help them. I help you, you help them, I help them. We become a team and we work together and we help each other. And it just really gets the motivation going and everybody benefits from it. The Arbonne community is such an amazing group of people to be involved with. That's one thing that I have been thrilled with. I have a number of friends who are preferred clients and independent consultants that have signed up under us that have tried other companies and not been happy with the community attitude, the community atmosphere, and that is not the case with Arbonne, which is one thing I really made me look at the business, because I so appreciated the genuine sincerity, the help, the smiles, the joy that I kept seeing among this group of people, and it's infectious. It's wonderful. So I just wanted to pop in, tell you that there is an option out there, and I would love to discuss it further and get you more information about the opportunity that exists. So if you will either private message me or comment below, I will be happy to respond to you, and we can get this conversation going and get you on the road of a little more secure footage through this difficult, trying time. It's going to get better. Let's bring it to the next level and make it even better. So thanks for checking in, and I look forward to hearing from you and talking to you soon.